In this video, we will talk about how to fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. Method 1. Basic sound and hardware checks. Ensure sound isn't muted or too low. If crackling happens on headphones too, it likely software or driver issue. If headphones are fine, but speakers crackle, then it could be hardware problem with speakers. Method 2. Run Windows Sound Troubleshooter. Right-click sound icon. Select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Disable audio enhancements. Click in Search, type Control. Select Open. Change View by to Large icon. Select Sound. In Playback tab, right-click your speakers. Select Properties. Click on Enhancements tab. Make sure Disable All Enhancements is unchecked. Method 5. Update or uninstall audio driver. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device. Choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work for you, you can uninstall drivers. Right-click your audio device and choose Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. See you in the next video.